Have you noticed how Sora AI is literally taking over the internet right now? Everywhere you look, people are sharing mind-blowing videos made with Sora AI. But here's the catch. Not everyone can actually use it. Sora AI is still invite-only, and it's full of restrictions. It's available only in a few regions, and even if you somehow get in, you'll hit daily limits that stop you from creating freely. And yeah, sure, it's free for now, but let's be honest, that might not last forever. Once it goes public, you can bet it'll come with paid tiers, credits, or usage caps. But here's the exciting part. While everyone's fighting for Sora invite codes, there's a powerful alternative that's already open to everyone. No invites, no waiting list, no regional restrictions, and best of all, completely unlimited. It's called Meta AI, and it's changing the game right now. With Meta AI, you can remix, animate, and create full videos instantly, and the results are shockingly good. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Meta AI to create unlimited AI videos, 100% free, legal, and with no watermark. So stay tuned till the end, because once you see what Meta AI can do, you might not even need Sora anymore. And hey, before we dive in, if you're into AI video tools, tutorials, and updates, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next upload. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what AI tool do you want me to cover next. Your suggestion might be the next video I make. Let's jump straight into it. To start, go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Meta AI. I already have mine installed, but I need to update it first. Once it's done installing, open the app. As you can see, the user interface looks a lot like Sora 2. On the right-hand side, you have buttons like remix, comment, share, and a more button to rate the video, report, and more. Now, let's remix this particular video. I'll tap on the remix button. Here, you can change a lot of things, the background music, the image, and even the animation. Good. So let's say I want to change the music. I'll click on that, select the song I want,
God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for
and hit Remix. Meta AI will start remixing the video automatically. Once it's done, I'll simply go ahead and save it.
God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
When you click on Create and enter the Create section, there are a couple of things you can do with this tool. You can animate a photo, create a video, or restyle a photo as anime, among others. You can select any of the simple preset prompts displayed here, but I already have my own prompt saved in my notepad. I'll create an image, animate it into a video, and after that, I'll show you how to create videos directly. I'll open my notepad, copy the prompt, then head back to Meta AI, paste it, and hit Generate or Send. These are the images Meta AI has generated. I'll go through and find the one I prefer and then animate it. Let's say I like this one. You can edit it a bit to fine-tune the image, refine the prompt, animate it, or restyle it. You can make it 3D, anime, paper, illustrated, and many other styles to choose from. Let's animate this image so the car can move around. I'll click Animate, type in Animate it, add background music, then hit Generate. Meta AI will start animating the image.
After you make it, better watch who you keep around.
Once it's done, you can go ahead and download it onto your device or post it directly. Now let's create another image and animate it before we start creating videos. I'll go to my notepad again and copy one of the remaining prompts. I'll come back to Meta AI, tap on Create, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Good. As usual, we got 4 outcomes. I'll choose one and add background music.
Green, I see trees of green.
Now let's create our last example video, and I'll show you how to extend the duration or the length of the animation. Once the last video finishes generating, I'll go through the results, pick the one I like, and extend it. I'll select this particular video, tap on Extend, and Meta AI will start extending the video automatically. And that's it. That's how you can remix, animate, and create videos using Meta AI step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next AI video creation tutorial.